Hey everybody, welcome to my video. So today is a really exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my Glamlite X Mikayla palette. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks, so I'm so glad it finally got here. Obviously this is the package, it's all scribbled out, so don't try to come find me, people. But yeah, I'm gonna open this with you guys and let's see how this looks. I'm so excited! Use my handy dandy eyelash scissors just to cut. They've put so much tape on this box. Oh, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. I'm trying to show you guys what I'm seeing. It's the little Glamlite thingy for my icing that I ordered as well. It's the eye base. It's like the P. Louise, which it's like these, the P. Louise bases, but it's their own brand of them. So I really wanted to try that out. So that's what this is right here. Really nice packaging. I really love that design on that. So we'll get to that. So here is the main star of the show. You can see it right there. It's the palette. I just dropped that on a bunch of stuff. Oops. I'm already saying, she's so pretty. Okay. Oh my Lanta. Here is the front of the palette, and here is the back of the packaging. She's so pretty. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's open this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look, so cool. I've never seen a palette like that. And then there's the back. Okay, you guys, are we ready? No. It felt. That was very anticlimactic. Oh my gosh. Ready? Here's the best part. It's the little. I'm just gonna look at this. Buffalo chicken, I love that. And pot too. Palette for you guys. Oh my gosh. So freaking pretty. Okay, I gotta swatch some of these. Like, I got to. I just have to, okay? So I'm gonna roll up my sleeve and we're gonna jump into this. I think I wanna start with the shade What's Poppin', which is the shade right here. Oh wow, I've never used Glamlite products, so I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna like these. Oh my Lanta. That was so smooth. So that's the shade What's Poppin'. Okay, I definitely want to swatch Manifest with this, which is the shade right here. It's a purple. Oh my Lanta. Oh my gosh. That is such a pretty shade. This camera is not doing justice. Not at all. I want to try the shade Buffalo Chicken right here. I'll do with a different finger. Wow. I have a pretty orange shade. Oh, that's beautiful. I want to try this shade Iconic and Simping. I'm going to go for Iconic first. Okay, now for the time for the shade Simping, which is this pink right here. If you didn't know, my favorite color is pink. My room's literally pink, so very much love that. Oh, wow. I gotta do Immaculate, which is right here. Dude, I gotta do the iconic, the best color. It's literally what it's called. That is I think the most pigmented teal I think I've ever seen. Well, it's like mint actually. Oh my Lanta, this is so pretty. Okay, I gotta do one last one. And I think I'm gonna go for the shade Audrey. Which, stunning. If you guys have not, go pre-order this palette. It is absolutely stunning. I love this. The next video is gonna be me trying this palette. Like, look at it. Oh my Lanta. I would do it now, but I have to go to work and I'm literally in my work makeup, so I can't do so. Alrighty, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below and subscribe. Comment any ideas you guys have for me, and yeah, on to the next video where I will be trying that palette, I promise. Bye guys.